Hello and welcome back to the video. Firstly, massive thank you to everybody who's been watching the videos and to the new subscribers. Really appreciate it. And the Milan video has really skyrocketed, 4,500 views right now. Fucking crazy. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of riding since I'm back from Milan, out here in Berlin with Steffi. The kind of riding that you can do here is just amazing in terms of route choices and dedicated cycle lanes. And the weather has just been brutally insane, brutally awesome actually. So Steffi and I have been doing a lot of riding out to the south, and so my video got cut abruptly there. Yeah, Steffi and I have been doing a lot of riding out here in Berlin, primarily to the south, north and the east of Berlin. We're in the district of Brandenburg. It's awfully beautiful out here. Seriously. So yeah, we've been having some really good rides out here, and the landscape is beautiful, people are great, the weather is awesome, and the routes are just awesome as well. We got some really good riding routes out here, and yeah, Francis and Jimmy, you guys need to come here, really. Some good riding. You can get your fixies or you can get your road bikes. Either way, good roads, good routes, and I hope you like the video. Hey swans.
They're back.
No, they're cute. Hey swan. Do you want a banana peel? What's happening? Ooh, now you're responding. So we are the secretive but not so secretive coffee stop.
It's not so secret anymore.
Right?
Because everyone knows, and at the weekends it's super crowded over here. Because you get cheap cake and coffee and like good cake, like
Vegan cake.
grandma cake.
Oh,
No,
you're
you
not
don't.
sure?
You don't really get vegan cake. Like sometimes you get it, but I'm also not sure if it's really vegan
Oh, yeah.
because it doesn't taste like it sometimes.
Yeah, but this
It's
place is.
butterish.
This place looks awesome. Nice bike parking. So we are the famous Hollies Steffi always talks about. Need some coffee, and that's Holly inside. Cute cat. Now you like that. Now you like that. Yeah, the power brake just became more powerful. Like full power. Tour de Brandenburg. Pit stop number 1.
Nadi ke kinare.
Atomic Nadi ke kinare. How was your first climb?
It was okay. I expected it to be worse.
Killed it.
It was fine, but
Yeah, I was expecting
So
you to be
it's-
really far away, but I saw you behind and...
because maybe you were just too slow today.
Oh, really?
Think about that.
Oh,
I don't know, so it said it's 3.5%.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. It felt a little bit more tougher.
So was this tougher or was that tougher?
Worse, but it's only said 3.5% as this is said 5%.
5%,
But this
yeah.
felt actually worse than this.
Because 2 kilometers long.
Let's see.
Let's see how it goes. So we're on day 2 of Tour de Brandenburg. Unofficial Tour de Brandenburg. Oh, and we got blocking the way. And this is the tour director,
A proper Brandenburger.
proper Brandenburger. Yeah, it's awesome. It's perfect season for Tour de Brandenburg. Are मैडम जी क्या हुआ
Kuch nahi.
क्या हुआ
Climb ho gaya.
killed it huh not bad, you were like 1 minute behind me.
And I have a heavier gear ratio than you.
Big legs. So you're on top of the world.
Yeah.
So that's Steffi trying to get maximum mileage to make her loop 89. Dude, you're a machine.
Yeah.
Du bist Maschine.
Indian train.
Indian train, dude. Fuck. Diesel engine, man. You're the first guy I know who drinks beer on a ride.
During a ride.
No. Julian Schrenk. He's a cyclist from Nürnberg. He's a real Franke. And Franken, a special form of people. They every time they drink when they ride.
Really?
Yeah. They have a ride, it's called, wie nennt sich denn das? Irgendwas mit Bier. Every week they ride to a brewery and taste the beer.
Nice.
And if you have the cycling kit, you get the beer for free.
What? Let's do this.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Kingdom. This is gorgeous, man. You're the cause of my flats.
Maybe stop. Maybe they have a pump.
You wanna ask him?
Yeah.
It's better.
we go.
Too late.
He already opened it. Magic.
Wake up, I take the sheets off my shoulders. I'm so done, I'm tired of my same life. My routine got me thinking.
तुम कैसे हो?
Yeah, chill. लेकिन आज का headwinds बहुत exhausting है. और ये heavy.
That headwinds, you can see it. तो अभी tailwind है.
Mind like, oh no, I think I need wake up. I take the sheets off my shoulders. I'm so done, I'm tired of my same life. My routine got me thinking, oh my, like, oh no, I think I.
Yes, you are.
The
The beauty of navigation.
Something different, run into the lights despite the distance. Cause I can't bear to take these barricades. I break them in the gate so I can walk right through them so easy. Blooming, I'm peachy, game fluid like Fiji. Name brewing like ginger tea. None could ever hinder me, leaving all my phobias and doubts. I'm a dog, not a pussy now. Get your fingers out of me, out of my face. I put you into your place. Leveled up 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. I'm like a speaker with the bass booming, so you feel this. Armstrong like Lewis, I'm moving with the music. With my homies, never switching up, no Judas. OTJ, them hype beams go stupid.
the chain is here, touching these corners, and the chain gets moved beneath chainring and the frame. And so often I was standing beside the track and was very angry, very aggressive to my bike to be able to go on. Now I took these metal corners or the edges, I don't know, away. So I hope it gets better.
Now.
Yes,
You
that's
have
the
to
plan.
CE, a man so suited. For KING, the throne looks prudent. Wake up, I take the sheets off my shoulders. I'm so done and tired of my same life. My routine got me thinking all night. Like, oh no, I think I need wake up. I take the sheets off.
Ich hoffe, das ist die letzte Runde. Ich gehe die letzte.
I'm so done and tired of my same life. My routine got me thinking all night. Like, oh no, I think I need change. Take the sheets off my shoulders. I'm so done and tired of my same life. My routine got me thinking, oh my, like, oh no, I think I.
Pittsburgh, you have to visit Spice India for samosas. We're in this place called Rulsdorf, which is the city of Strasbourg. We just had samosas and we're heading that way, which is it's also known as Switzerland, Mark Switzerland, I don't know why. But they got some hills. Lots of headwinds and lots of hills. Makes it a good drive. Hey! Stage 3, Tour de
Tour de
Brandenburg.
Brandenburg, yeah. Stage 3.
So we're heading into German Switzerland now, eh?
Märkische Schweiz.
Genau.
Genau.
And we can go apple shopping also now.
Yeah, but there are no apples here.
There is Shanti here. Yeah, right?
But it smells like apples.
Yeah. I wish you could smell it, but it smells like apples. So we are in flat earth country. Where have you taken me, Steffi?
No idea. To the Fledermausmuseum.
So I thought I was recording until now, but I wasn't. Yeah. And we're in the middle of this forest land, which Komoot got us to. And it does not look road bikeable. Yeah. Now we can ride. That entire section behind us was fully sandy. Thank you, Komoot. Okay, we are back to sandy sections again. This is what I mean by sandy. And both of us almost died. Screaming. Civilization.
Man, I was a bit scared, to be honest. Man, it's so nice to see a street.
Nice, yeah.
No sign.